Sir, in the case of jihad with sword, is it one of the condition of jihad that it must be under the supervision and with the permission of divinely appointed leader?
Yes, this is a central condition of jihad, that it should be fought under a divine authority of the time. Otherwise, people like disunited people cannot take jihad into their own hands. Like the Holy Quran says, "Udhina lillazina yuqatiluna bi annahum zulimu." That those people against whom the sword had been raised, they have been permitted to do so, to raise swords in defense of them, because they have been transgressed against. So this word uzina indicates who permits them. Evidently, God permits them, but everybody is not shown a wahi, not given a wahi that you are permitted. So they are permitted through Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This indicates that there has to be one divinely appointed leader. He would tell the ummah to be ready for jihad, and then they must all start the holy war in whatever sense that war is fought. And the holy war also means preaching. So for instance, nowadays I have told all the world of Ahmediyya to go for this holy war, and they are putting in everything they possess, their money, their property, their lives, even putting their lives in danger, and they are not following the voices of their own selves. They are following the voice of the Khalifa of the day. So this jihad is really holy. You've understood the point?